Riza came home from school driving her motorcycle. While she was traveling, she saw her friend. She got off the motorcycle and went to her friend. There is a man watching her motorcycle that she just left on a road. While she was talking to her friend, she didn't realize that the thief was riding her motorcycle, and that's when she saw when the man passed in front of her driving her motorcycle. Riza immediately shouted and tried to chase him, but she couldn't catch up. The thief passed the checkpoint and was stopped by the police. He was asked if he has the license, ORCR, or legal papers proving that he is the owner of the motorcycle, but he lied that he left it at their house. He had no escape because the police took the motorcycle. Riza immediately called the police regarding the theft of his motorcycle. She went to the police station and reported what happened. Police worked together to find Riza's motorcycle. They called the police assigned to the checkpoint and asked if there was anyone who passed through the checkpoint with Riza's motorcycle. To make sure that the motorcycle was seized belonged to Riza, the police checked the motorcycle and get its chassis number and engine number. They cleaned the chassis number and engine number and coated it with carbon, then taped it with scotch tape and then took it and put it on a bond paper. The police compared with Riza's ORCR the chassis number and engine number from the motorcycle they seized. Confirmed that the motorcycle that the police caught at the checkpoint was owned by Riza.